Hello guys, welcome to Technical Pachi. Here we are presenting a new project for which I have got an order. That is to create an online bill system for a jewelry shop. So now this is complete. Here you have entered your customer details and they now easy print and save the previous records. Thank you.